Come on. Come here. You want something to drink? Come on. Uh-huh. It's a bottle. Let's go in the kitchen. The kitchen? Yeah. Gonna get a bottle. Get you a drink. Look how far you're walking. Uh-oh. Back up. Good boy. Can you hold this bottle for me while I get some stuff for it?
Open.
Okay.